Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about how to write cursive letter, uppercase letter A. A for apple. Okay, let's begin. Slanting line and one more slanting line. So, and curve like this. Okay. So, slanting line, somewhat slanting, again a small curve. This. Okay. A for apple. A for apple. So, like this. Okay. Slanting line, somewhat one more slanting line, then curve like this. Like this. Okay. Like this. Okay. So, slanting line, somewhat slanting, then curve like this. This slanting line touches the upper line, so come back like this. So, A for apple. A for apple. So, A for ant. A for ant. So, like this we have to practice the cursive letter A. A for apple. A for ant. A for arrow. Okay. Like this we have to practice the uppercase letter, cursive uppercase letter A. So, like this. Okay. Thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Bye-bye.